Topic: Photo adjust. We will talk about how to adjust the front of the photo or just the background, and I will show you some interesting tricks, like how to do a trick to make the background black and white and the foreground color. And the second trick, how we can make the blur effect in our photo background. Now let's come back to our Canva. On the home page, I'm clicking social media and let it be Facebook post, landscape. Now we need to choose a photo. Let's go to photos. Here on the left side menu, I am clicking photos and I am searching travel or tourism. And I am choosing this one photo. We see that it is already free. We can click on it. And now we can click on the photo and we can click edit. We can click adjust and here we see magic function auto adjust. We can click on it and our photo was adjusted. We can click reset adjustments on the bottom and now we can go to select area and here we can adjust whole image. So we can adjust temperature. We see how our photo changes. We can adjust brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites and blacks, vibrance. We can adjust color, sharpness, and so on. When the photo suits us, we can click near the design. So here we have the photo which we adjusted, and here is original photo. Next, we can adjust only foreground. Click on the photo and go to edit and adjust. Now we can choose foreground in select area. Choose foreground and now we can adjust only foreground. Brightness. Great, yes. Contrast, highlights, shadows, and etc. I'm choosing the same photo and now let's see how we can adjust background. Let's come back to our adjust and select area. And here we can choose background. And now we will adjust our background. Great, yes? Now I will show you one trick when the background is white and black and foreground is in color. So let's come back to left side menu, photos, and now we can search for woman in monotone pastel outfit. And I am choosing this one photo. And now click on the photo and go to edit, and come back to adjust. And here we need to select area, background. Now let's come to color section and here we need to adjust it. Vibrance, I am making to -100 and saturation -100 as well. And here you go, we see nice effect when the background is white and black. Let's see another trick. When we want a little blur in the background. So at first we need to choose a photo. Let's come back to photos and now let's search for man in monotone pastel outfit. And I'm choosing this one photo. Click on the photo. We can adjust the size. And now let's go to edit and adjust. Now select area. Let's select background. And now let's go to text section. And here we need to adjust sharpness and clarity. And now we see a little blur in the background. We can come back to select area, and here we can choose foreground, and we can adjust sharpness a little bit and clarity. That's great. Now we see this effect. Here we see original photo. And here we see photo which we adjusted. Great, yes? And Canva also has an option to adjust just photo without choosing a design. Let's come back to Canva homepage. And now we can click upload. And we can choose file. And we can choose any photo from our computer. And click open. And now we have 3 options. We see that we can use in a new design, or we can add to a template. And here in the bottom, we see that we can click edit image. And here on the left side, we can click adjust. And here we see all functions which we was talked. So we can adjust wall image or foreground or background. We can click auto adjust. If we want, we can click crop, and here we can crop freeform like this, or we can choose aspect ratio, and we can crop. When it suits us, we can click done. Here we see also effects, and about effects we will talk in the next lessons. When the adjusted photo suits us, we have 2 choices. We can click use in a design, or we can click save. If we choose save, here we have 2 options. So the first option is save to Canva. If we click save to Canva, the photo will appear in our uploads, and we will find it in the left side menu, uploads and images here. And the other option is when we click download. And photo will appear in our downloads folder. Great, yes? So that's all about photo adjusted, and see you in the next lesson.